Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you consistent characters in Midjourney. Easy step-by-step tutorial. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now it can be difficult for a lot of people to create consistent characters in Midjourney. So for today's video, I will be teaching you tips and tricks on how you could create a consistent character in Midjourney. So the first thing you're going to have to do, or the first rule to creating a consistent character, is to create your simple character. Now the keyword is simple. You can't create a character that is too complicated or has too much details. For example, you can't have a character that has a lot of accessories. Having lots of accessories or very small details added to your character will make it hard for Midjourney to replicate it on other prompts. For example, you ask a character to be created with earrings or piercings. When Midjourney recreates that on another prompt, it might misplace or put the earrings on the wrong place, or even display a different type of earrings that isn't related or close to the original photo. That's the difficulty with accessories. So you're going to have to keep your characters very simple, direct, and very easy to replicate. So that's the first rule on creating your consistent character. You're going to have to create a character that is very simple. So that's the first rule. The second rule is you're going to have to also keep your styles that are simple. You could go with realistics, but do not go with super high in details, because like I said, it's going to be the same thing. Midjourney will have a lot of difficulties when recreating an art that has a lot of details. So those are the rules. Now we're going to give you an example, and I'm going to show you two ways on how you could create consistent characters. So the first thing is we're going to create our character. We're going to do slash imagine, and like I said earlier, you're going to have to create your model or your character. Now for me, let's say I would like a young boy with blue eyes, and then we could say his hair is silver with silver hair. And then we could add one more detail. For example, what his clothing is, wearing a white tank top. Now, as you can see, very direct with the information, not too much details, not too much small details. Direct, we're going to go with a young boy, blue eyes, silver hair, and wearing a tank top. No additional information. I'm not going to say he's wearing a bracelet, a necklace, or any other extra information. I'm not going to say what his t-shirt will say, what will appear on his t-shirt or tank top. We're just going to keep with a very simple, direct way over here. And then after that, we're going to have to enter our style. Now we're going to go with realistic for now. Realistic, HD, high quality. And then you could do whatever you would like. 4K, you could go to the community showcase and look through the different outputs there. And you could copy their different styles. So you could simply go to the community showcase, copy the prompt, and then you could duplicate prompts over here also. That's one of the ways to create amazing prompts in Midjourney. So let's proceed with this. 4K, and then let's say sunset, lighting. And let's keep it like this for now. This is just our very simple output. So let's click on enter. And now let's wait for our output over here. Now keep in mind, our main character, or our character that we will be trying to keep consistent for today's video, is a young boy with blue eyes and silver hair wearing a tank top. And let's see if we will be able to keep this consistency at the end of the video. So as you can see here, it's currently generating, and let's give it some time, and then we're going to show you our ways on how we could keep it consistent. And as you can see here, this is our character over here generated for us. Now, Midjourney added some extra details, but we're going to let it be for now. So we're simply going to select a character that we like. For example, we have our character number 4, very childish. It has a different tank top that isn't really related to what we have said, but we're going to go with it. We have our 4th character, which we will be using for today's video. So I'm going to upscale the 4th photo, and we'll proceed from there. Now, there are two ways to try and make Midjourney keep a consistent character. And our first method is by copying or by using referencing image. As you can see here, this is our character over here. We're simply going to click on our image over here, open in a new browser, or open in browser over here, and it will open in a new tab over here. Now in this section, we're simply going to click on right click. And as you can see here, we have the option to copy image address. We're simply going to copy this and then go back to Midjourney, go back here, and now we're going to enter a new prompt. We're going to go in Imagine, and then we're going to Control V or paste the URL of our photo over here. Now this is our URL or the image address. We're simply going to add a comma and then whatever prompt that you would like to have. For example, let's say night sky or other details that you would like to have, and then click on enter. Now what it will do is have this photo as a basis for what you're going to add to the photo over here, which is the night sky. Meaning this will add more, or it will use this as a basis to try and create another character that is similar to this, at least. Try to make it consistent. So what I did was to change the background. So let's see if we will be able to keep consistency of our character over here. So let's see our output over here, if we will be able to recreate our character or keep it consistent. Now while waiting for this, another way to try to have consistency with your characters is by using the blend option. As you can see here, we have the blend option. Now for this one, you're going to have to save your photo over here. Like a save as, and we're going to wait for it. Save it over here. And then you could go over here and then you could upload it over here. Now what you can do is look for another photo that you would like to use. So for example, let's search for galaxy, sky, enter. Then let's look for a photo over here. Now we have this photo over here. Let's open this one. And we're going to download this photo as well. Click on right click, save image as, and save just like that. And then go back here, upload it over here. And as you can see, then we're going to click on enter. Now it will create an image based on this two photo over here, and it will try to combine these two photos. And as you can see here, this is our output over here. And as you can see the resemblance. You could see our character being present over here. Although it will be on a different style, you could add more information to your prompt. Now I forgot to add the additional prompts like HD, high quality, realistic, all of those stuff. But you could see the resemblance between our character and our basis over here. So we will be able to keep consistencies, but as you can see, there will be some minor changes. As you can see, the clothes were changed from tank top to t-shirt, and the other one has a backpack this time. So it's not going to be easy to create a consistent character. That's why in today's video, I'm teaching you tips and tricks. Now it will not guarantee. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't. So what you have to do is to do trial and error to be able to produce the output that you would like to have. And for example, over here, we have our other character over here. This is more accurate than this one. As you can see, our character is this one right here. And then it has a blue tank top with a black lining over here. And this is our other character over here, which is a cartoonish version, I'm guessing, or like a 3D version, more like a Pixar character or something like that. And then it still have the blue tank top over here and then the black lining over here. And it also added the galaxy effect on his tank top over here. And as you can see, this is more accurate than this method over here. But both method works. You will be able to recreate your characters. As you can see here, this is our main character with silver hair, and this character also have silver hair similar to this one over here. Now what you can do is you could upscale whatever photo you want, or you could retry, try until you will be able to get the character that you are trying to recreate. So for example, let's upscale this one. Let's see how close we were able to replicate this one. And this one, let's see the first one over here. And let's see some details. And as you can see, this is our character. It is the same character at least, but in a different style. As you can see, it's been made in a different style. The other one is also made in a different style, but it's still close to our original photo. As you can see, it still have the silver hair, green eyes, and like the tank top over here. Now all you have to do is do trial and error until you get the output that you are trying to reproduce. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.